Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to paint the Hulk. I asked you guys what you wanted to see me paint next, and I got a response from Julian's World asking if I can paint the Hulk. So I decided to show you guys how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is find the center of your canvas. Once you have found the center of your canvas, you're going to take your reference image and you're going to do the same thing to that. Once you get done with that, take some black pastels and I'm going to go over all the white areas on my image. Now I'm going to line it up on my canvas and make sure it's centered and then tape it down and start tracing. Once you're done tracing, remove the image and then you can start to paint the background green. Once your first coat is dry, then add a second coat. Once your canvas is dry, we're going to take that reference image we were using and we're going to cover the back completely with some pastels. Then we're going to tape it back on our canvas and start tracing again. This time when you're tracing, you'll be tracing everything, so when you remove it, you should have the sketch on your canvas. Now that it's on your canvas, we're going to take a black Posca pen and start drawing the outline. Once you're done drawing the outline, I'm going to start to fill it in with some black paint. And now we're just going to paint the eyes green. Once your canvas is completely dry, we're going to start to add our varnish. I'm going to be using Mod Podge. Once your Mod Podge is completely dry, your Hulk painting is done. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this. And until next time, bye!